Vault 5, Sector B, Tray 12. Position confirmed. Validated. Sequence initiated. Placement complete.
Increase camera sensitivity on Sector 4.
Right.
Copy that. Increasing sensitivity now. Next worker, please. Scan complete. Proceed through, sir. Place items in the tray. The perimeter security is paramount. Ensure all access points remain secure and report any anomalies immediately. Safety is our top priority. Hook is set. Engage primary lift. Slow, steady pull. Keep it balanced. Clear of the truck. Begin traverse. Steady. Doors clear. Crane engaging. Descending slowly. Watch the ground. Clear to secure. Maintain distance. Secure the straps. Team. Checking thermal output. Initiating cooling sequence. Copy that. Proceed. Level 1 is high. Check pressure regulators on pipe 2. Visual confirms some corrosion on the flange.
Setting temperature to 3,000 degrees.
Confirmed.
Stabilizing furnace. Parameters look good.
Condition yellow confirmed. Proceed with temperature regulation.
Roger. Maintaining parameters. Flux is stable. Recording addition weight. Noted, Daniel. Stand by for next step.
Okay, reading at 212 degrees. Logging now.
Temperature is rising. Confirming preheat is optimal. Moving to the next mold. Stay focused.
The temperature is stabilizing now. Almost ready for transport.
Weight verified. 12.435 kilograms. Stamp applied. Complete.
Sample loaded. Initiating analysis sequence. Analysis running, parameters verified.
Reject. Too soft. Need to log this, reference number 84. Checking the density next.
Reject. Initiate protocol. Checking data.
Keep it steady, Sarah.
Don't worry, Ahmed, I've got it. Slow and easy.
Vault 5, Sector B, Tray 12. Position confirmed.
Validated. Sequence initiated.
Placement complete.
Temperature stable. Humidity at 40%. System confirmed.
Calculating total weight. Verified and recorded.
Analysis complete.
And the result is?
Purity confirmed. 99.99%.
Exceptional. Team in position. Secure the perimeter. Status green. Prep for loading. Standby confirmed. Keep your back straight. Load it securely. Tighten those straps. Quickly. Moving in with the next one. Door engaging. Locked. Secure. End of day. Convoy Sierra 7, proceed as planned. ETA revised. Team, initiate Protocol Delta. Acknowledged, Supervisor. Check and clear. Okay, the analysis checks out. Great.
Great. Adding the final timestamp and notes here. Looks good. I'll sign off on the completion form.
All right, team. Day shift leaving, night shift moving in. Copy that. Let's keep it running smoothly. The production stats for this quarter show a 5% drop in output. Yes, but if we analyze the pipeline data, we can see a bottleneck forming at the processing unit.